Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Haitian Beignets. First, gather your simple ingredients like ripe bananas, flour, sugar, and baking soda. We'll then move on to mixing them into a smooth batter, ensuring no lumps remain. Finally, I'll guide you through the frying process to achieve that perfect golden brown finish. This full guide will help you create delicious, authentic Haitian Beignets right in your own kitchen. To start, mash your overripe bananas until they are completely smooth. This is key for a good texture. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, including all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, and a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg for that authentic flavor. Now, gradually add your mashed bananas and any liquid, like milk or water, to the dry mixture. Stir everything until you have a smooth, lump-free batter, similar to a thin pancake batter. For frying, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed skillet to a temperature between 350 and 370 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to maintain this temperature to prevent greasy beignets. Carefully drop spoonfuls of your batter into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each beignet for about 2 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once your beignets are perfectly fried, use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil and place them on paper towels to drain any excess. While they are still warm, generously dust them with either powdered sugar for a classic finish or granulated sugar for a slight crunch. These delicious treats are best enjoyed immediately with coffee or tea. For the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.